YouTube? It's your girl Totally Taniya, and welcome back to another Talks with Taniya, where we discuss those vulnerable but necessary topics. And today I'm just going to be telling you guys how to become an inspiration to yourself. A lot of times we're in environments where we don't see anybody that has something that we want, or sometimes we are, it's just those people have the qualities to be inspirational but they're not using it. It's like when we look around ourselves, we're like, dang, nobody has anything that's motivating me. Nobody here motivates me. Nobody here is someone that can be a role model for me. Nobody around me is someone that I look up to. So here is how you become an inspiration for yourself. Number one, find somebody. Obviously, there is somebody in the world that when you see them, you're like, dang, I like her, or I like him, or I want to be like her, or I want to be like him. Find that person, whether it's somebody on TV, whether it's somebody at the grocery store, just somebody out there in the world that every time you see them, every time you hear something about them, it's positive, it's great. Number two, think about what it is that that person has that you just are amazed by. Whether it's their career, whether it's their ambition, their carefree spirit, their sense of humor, their fashion sense, whatever it is, find that and then enhance it within yourself. You have that same quality. It's just that you're not showing it. You're not tapping into it, so to speak. So just work on that, but work on bettering yourself in general. By no means am I telling you to change yourself based on what you're seeing or change who you are, but just enter into a growth mindset, meaning that you're healing old wounds and things that you've buried. You're evoking positive change within your life, evoking enhancements within yourself, and you're seeing the person that you want to be and taking the necessary steps to become that person. That is how you inspire yourself. You see something, or you see an example of something, and you're like, dang, I want to be that. You find that example. You know, it doesn't have to be somebody you live with. Like I said, sometimes we're in an environment where we just don't see it. But then when we look at TV and we're like, oh my God, it's there. You know, I see that person and I love her. I love the way she does it. Like, there's always somebody out there for you that just says, ooh, they have that thing that you want to have within yourself. But the people around you just don't have that thing. And I think a lot of times, a lot of us feel that way. But all you have to do is enter a growth mindset. Find that person that has that figure out what that is and tap into it, because it's within you. And with that said, this video is just very, very short. Yeah, that's all I have to tell you guys. This is just something that I learned, and I hope you guys learned from it as well. And with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Mwah.